Hello and welcome to Stained Glass Gaming, where I turn video games into glass. Time for a video request. This is The Great Diamond Authority from Steven Universe Save the Light. I've never played the game, so I don't have any experience or opinion on it. What I can say is that this is pretty simple to make aside from color matching. On another note, I've recently hit 100 subscribers since I started uploading these stained glass videos. I will be releasing a 100 subscriber special as a thank you. For every project I make, I try and color match the glass as close as possible. However, I can only do so much, and at some point, have to make compromises. This is an example of a compromise regarding pink glass. Stained glass is expensive, and some colors, patterns, textures, and fancy glass are more expensive than others. Pink glass is one such example. Depending on the materials used, different colors are more expensive than others. For pink, there are small amounts of gold, and to get a solid shade of pink is very expensive. The lighter shades of pink aren't as expensive as darker shades, but I didn't have enough time to buy the shade that would have matched exactly. So I'll use what I have on hand. This pink isn't a solid shade, but it will do. After I finish grinding, I check the final fit before foiling. Except for the pink glass, all the other edges are straight and line up with each other. I decided to leave the pink glass as it was, because I realized if I ground any more, it wouldn't have lined up. Now unfortunately, it isn't very sunny due to several storms coming in at time of recording. I tried my best to showcase it in the natural light as much as possible. I even tried to use a desk light to see what it might look like. I used pattern glass to make up for the fact that I couldn't color match exactly. Even so, I kinda like it better. Gives it more of a unique look. Like, share, comment, and subscribe if you enjoyed this video. Let me know what you would like to see me make down in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you all through the next pane.